Hey guys, Sandra here, and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be talking more about the power lead system, and I'm sharing with you the power lead system because we have a new funnel in the back office and new they added just new things, okay, into the power lead system, which I'll be sharing in the next few days. But right here, you will see that when you log into the back office of your Power Lead system, you're going to always have this page here. And this is your Fast Start training. Okay. Ace and Rich are going to be doing the training for you. And the thing is, I want you to know this is not a get rich quick opportunity. Okay. It takes time to make money online. So do not think you're going to make it like today or tomorrow. I mean, you could, but it does take time to make money. Now, if you dive into the training and you are consistent and indulge in all the things they give to you, this training allows people who don't have the skill set to start earning with this opportunity. Okay, so we do have training. As you can see, it's 2 times a week. Monday, the next one is Monday, January 9th at 12 p.m. Eastern. And the next one this is a mistake. It should be Thursday, January 12th at 8 p.m. Okay, as of the time of this recording, the trainings are 2 times a week. And these, okay, as you can see, one is at 12 p.m. Okay, that will be on Monday. The other one is at 8 p.m. All right. And so you have a choice of which one you want to go to. Now, in the training, they will be going over orientation of your PLS system, where to get your links to market your PLS pages, which pages and funnels to choose for different markets, meaning that if you have another business that you want to add to this, they will show you which funnel would be best for that market. Marketing 101, the do's and the don'ts. These are things that you think you're doing right, but maybe you're not. So you're going to find out what you are doing right or wrong. And excuse me, the marketing curriculum and training calls, staying compliant with the FTC and the law, because this is a real business. Okay. How to make your first $1,000 commissions fast, how to maximize profits from your new PLS business. Okay. So it's highly recommended that you choose one of these dates before you click this button. If you want to go to both, you can go to both. Okay. But choose one. And, now with the Power Lead system, you can promote it alone or you can use it to add your current opportunity. I just mentioned that earlier. And you will learn what you need to do and how to do it with these trainings. So it's very important to check it out. All you have to do is click here to register, right here to either one of these, and register for the Zoom meeting. Okay. And make sure you have a pen and paper because you will want to take notes to look back on them for later use. Okay. Now, I'm just going to click here for now so we can see inside. Oops, I gotta log in again. And okay, I gotta update my domain name. All right, just took me back to this. Okay. Now, here are all the different levels that we have here in the Power Lead system. So here we have the gold level right here, and it's only $54 a month to become an affiliate which gives you the opportunity to resell the product and make commissions. All of these levels, okay? Once you're signed up with each of these levels, you have an opportunity to make money off of each one that you're signed up to. All right. And you for the goal, as if you notice that these are green, because I have purchased these products. Okay, purchase. This one I did not purchase this one. It will be red if you did not. All of these will be red if you are new, but as you purchase them, they will turn green. So, as I was saying, the gold level is only $54 a month, and to become an affiliate, and you have the opportunity to resell the product and make commissions, residual commissions, from anyone that signs up under you with your link, and you will get $20 per month for each person that comes in at this level, okay, under your link. Now the next level is the emerald level, okay, and this level is $105 per month. All right. The goal is $54 per month, and the emerald is $105 per month. And you get $90 per month from each person that signs up under you through your link. All right. Now the next one is the diamond level. And with the diamond level, it is $147, a one-time payment. Okay, that's a one-time payment, and you will get $100 unlimited payments from each person that upgrades to this level through your link. The next one is the platinum level, and that is a one-time payment of $497, and you get $400 unlimited payments from each person that upgrades to this level. The next one is the elite level, which is the Master Traffic Institute, and with this level, it's a $1,497 one-time payment. You get unlimited $1,000 payments from each person that upgrades underneath you. Right now, we have a bonus, and within your first 7 days, if you purchase this elite level, the Master Traffic Institute, you would get the platinum and the diamond for free. So I would take advantage of that level as soon as possible if you can. Okay, there is no rush. I don't want you to think you have to upgrade. Just, there is no rush. If you can't not do it, don't do it. Just upgrade where you are comfortable. If later on, you can always upgrade, but upgrade where you're comfortable. But I'm just telling you that the first 7 days, when you purchase the Master Traffic Institute, you will get the platinum and the diamond level for free. And remember, this is a one-time fee of $147. This one is a one-time fee of $497. So you're saving a lot of money, over $600 right there. Okay, so they didn't have this when I signed up, so this is really good. And so anyway, each level, I told you that before, each level turns green when you purchase it, and it is red when you do not purchase it. Now, if you and each level is a standalone level. So if, for example, if you were to come in at the diamond level, you will only be able to collect the $100 commissions because you paid the $147 for that level. You will not get anything for this level, this level, or this level, or this level. You have to pay for those levels in order to get the commissions for each level. All right. Same with the gold level. All right. So you do not have to pay. You do have to pay for each level to have access to them. So you can click here on each button, all right, and watch the videos to learn more. And you just come in, where you feel the most comfortable. Also think about how much you want to earn and how quickly you want to fire your boss, and then pick the level that you feel comfortable with, okay, that you want to purchase. All right, so this opportunity can allow you to leave your job if you are serious and consistent. We have testimonials in the back office from others that have quit their job, okay, because of this system. All right, so you have to be very consistent and serious. So In the last video, I went over the new funnel, Fire Your Boss, and where you can find it. But I guess I'll go here again. It's right here where it's to start here. Click the easy button and you will get your fire. You're going to join in 3 easy steps. You're going to make sure you join the Facebook group now. Choose the link below to advertise and then advertise your link. So you're going to choose the Fire Your Boss right here. And you're going to click it and it's going to have the, you're going to set one up here. All right. For you to you're going to create a domain here. All right. So you will have to go back to the getting started because you won't have and add your domain here. All right. Excuse me. You're going to add your domain here and it's only $17.97 a year. All right. And you're gonna, and every year that you renew it is $17.97. You're gonna enter the name of the domain that you would like to use, and then check to see if it's available, and then you can use that domain with the Fire Your Boss funnel. Okay. Okay. So. Okay, and if you want to see the Fire Your Boss link for yourself, I will leave a link in the description so you can check it out. And all you have to do is get started. All you have to do to get started is to click the link, watch the free video, start your trial. Okay, I believe the trial is $1 for 14 days. Upgrade to the level or the levels that you want and get to the trainings to learn how to get unlimited leads, okay, and traffic. Get traffic, and the last but not least, get traffic to your new link. Okay, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. You will have that information when you sign up under me, and or you can send me a direct message on Facebook. The link will be below, and you can connect with me there. All right, so don't forget to subscribe. That's going to be the end of this video, but don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Give me a thumbs up if this video was helpful to you, and I thank you for watching. Remember, you must hustle, and at this time in life, and in these days, we need, with the prices going up and getting higher and higher, we need multiple streams of income. All right, so why not make this one of your extra streams of incomes? All right, thank you for watching. God bless you. Have a good day. See you on the next video.